Well, we're coming to the downside of this particular course. We're starting week 6A, and we're going to be having only 2 lectures this week, which perhaps will give you a chance to catch up on some of the work you might be behind in. We'll be studying the book of Colossians, again written by Paul, and 1st and 2nd Thessalonians, so combining those 2 books together. Now, I want to encourage you to continue working on the map that's due next week. In other words, it's week 7A, which actually will be on a Wednesday when it's due. Now, if you can get that map to me by Monday of next week, then I will be able to look it over, see if there's any errors, get it back to you, and then you can correct it, get it back to me by the due date, and that way, hopefully, you'll get a full 10 points. Now, the other thing I want to encourage you is the lecture quizzes. The lecture quizzes should be almost the easiest quizzes that you take because, and there's a key, I always give a review in one of the lectures. So if you look in the PowerPoint, and it'll always tell you, like lecture quiz 4, it'll tell you that there is a review in the lecture 22. And then there's one you're going to have at the end of this week, which will be lecture quiz number 5. And you'll notice that there is a review in the PowerPoint lecture number 28. So the key is be sure you review those because it basically gives you all the answers to the particular quiz. And you can use those notes. You realize in any quiz, you can use your own notes, particularly the lecture quizzes and the major exams. So I want to encourage you to take advantage of that advantage that it really does give you. Keep going with the discussion boards. If you are behind, be sure to do the ones that are currently due, then work backwards to catch up the ones that you have not done. I haven't closed any assignments at this point, so you can go back and do them. The discussion boards, if you do them like the week later than they are due, or even 2 weeks later or more, I will only deduct 1 point per post. So it's not very much of a deduction. But the discussion boards are really where your big portion of your grade is. So you want to get them done. Otherwise, I'm enjoying the discussion boards. Once in a while, I'll make a comment. You're welcome to respond to the comment if you want to. But anyway, you're doing a great job. I've appreciated the discussions, the involvement, and your diligence in the course. And for those of you who might be falling a little bit behind, frankly, we just have 3 more weeks and this course will be over. So I encourage you to get with it, get caught up, and do well in the class. It's not really a hard class, but it is when you kind of get behind. So if you can catch up, you'll do well. Again, never hesitate to ask any questions. Don't feel like it's a dumb question. And if there's anything I can do to help you, like for those of you who might be behind, if you want help, let me know. I'd be happy to tell you exactly what assignments you need to catch up. So again, it's great to have you in the class, and we'll just continue on, and hopefully you'll do well as you finish the conclusion of this course at the end of this month.